the time, we always have to move to a different location for our field demonstrations, which is one of the practical and key components of the pre-harvest events. But we are happy that we have a place now that we can have our field demonstrations. We have different training sessions ongoing on. We have the soil testing demonstration. As of now, we've had a little bit over 240 farmer groups participating in the various sessions, and then we are hoping that during the course of the day, other farmer groups will also participate.
Who came to participate in the Demeter training, and actually what they have taught us, if we apply it, it will be good for our good yield.
I came to participate in the Agric Company demonstration. They have taught us how to use the Agric machine or equipment to water our farms when it is dry season, that is irrigation farms.
He's a doctor to his cattle, he's a teacher to his sons, he's a businessman in top boots and a dog.
My name is Christine Bote, I work for GIZ Moab, and today I'm here with TECAS. TECAS stands for Training and Extension for Conservation Agriculture in the Savannas. What we demonstrate here is ripping. Ripping is an environmentally friendly and resource-conserving way of preparing the land. If you later on look at the rip lines, you see not the whole field is turned upside down as a plow would do, but only the lines where you intend to plant your main crop inside disturbs the soil. So that means we conserve water, we conserve the organic matter in the soil, which will be very beneficial for the farmer because more moisture means more water for the main crop.
What I demonstrated here is minimum tillage, and we used a machine called a ripper. Now, what the ripper does is it goes deeper into the soil to break hard pan and make soil very, very, very conducive for planting. The good thing about the ripper is that you try as much as possible to reduce the amount of soil that are being moved from one place to the other in the event of preparing soil. And so if a farmer adopts such a technology, automatically he or she becomes very, very climate smart, meaning that he would have to harvest a lot of water in the soil zones. A lot of moisture will be conserved there for plants at any point in time.
He's a doctor to his cattle, he's a teacher to his sons.
So I believe it's beneficial to the farmers here because I don't believe there is another irrigation solution in Ghana that is affordable for such population in Ghana. This is the first time it's a feasible solution where 1, 2, 3 or 4 farmers together can combine, can make an investment to improve their yields and the quality of their crops.
Food on the tables by the sweat of his own brow. Some days you know he's
We really are happy that the Banvem Lana have opened up the community to transformation and growth and development in its full cycle.